thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the late-case severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 513 has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Coven, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, and Northampton.